Next, let's put 2 tablespoons of milk in. Some pepper. Some salt. Just whisk it until it gets all nice and combined and looks like a liquid scrambled egg maybe. Now for the fun part, this is microwaving it. So we're just gonna put this in the microwave for 45 seconds on high, and it should come out as scrambled egg. So these are the results of the microwave scrambled eggs. Looks pretty nice. It's pretty hot. Looks seasoned. It looks like it has a good consistency. I think they could use a little more seasoning. You can season it with whatever you want, like pepper, peppers, chives, salt, bread. It's very good. Very quick recipe, very good. It's very easy to make.